Alright guys, we're here on our second day in Sitges. It's just the morning time and we're walking down the beach from our hotel trying to get to that cathedral, the same place we were at yesterday. And we got to check out this beautiful scenery. It's amazing. Look at this beautiful sight. There's the cathedral over there. And then we're just out on this breakwater. And look back this way. There's so many beaches here. And lots of space. There's a bunch of bars on the beach too. It's a pretty awesome little town. There's a lot of money going around here. We're just down here at the cathedral. And there goes the clock. Look at this, perched straight on the ocean. We're just out on the breakwater. So nice out here. Could be warmer though.
Right. It's early morning.
But it's still early, so we're gonna go up to the old town and see if we can get some breakfast. I've already kind of got a lot of this food.
Right.
I'm just walking up to the monastery. Look at this view. Here's an old cannon.
So crazy.
Everything is here is so detailed. Everything is like art. Like there's, look at the bottom of this, of the patio up there. It's all tile work. Like the windows have these patterns around them, everything.
So cool.
Cobblestone streets for horses, probably. And look at this stonework.
For sale, Saventa. We should call them.
Yeah. I don't think we can afford that.
It's not very.
It's one of the most beautiful towns I've ever been in. Look at that.
Cayo de San Juan. Wow.
Calle. Look at that. This one, I like this one. That's really cool.
I know.
Look at the detail. These buildings. This is a little public park, I think. If not, we're trespassing.
It looks like.
But I'm pretty sure it's public. Oh, pigeons.
Look at this.
Yeah, look,
one.
it's like a little park.
Oh, yeah. But look at this one. Imagine this is your door.
Man, doorways in ancient times used to be so small. Look at that. Look at the beautiful vines everywhere.
Wow, that's so cool. This is cool. I like it.
Little skinny doorways. Look at it. Look, it's like a castle up there. Oh, they must have like watched. There must be no watchtower up there or something. 'Cause what else would you use it for? Imagine the view. You probably can climb up there. We're just walking along the ocean up these stairs, and look at this. Wall's been done all in this stone. It's like coral. It's pretty sweet. In case he's gonna jump, she said.
I guess that's what we're known for when the face